Hey guys, quick video on how to do a oil change reset on a '08 Challenger. So ignition will be the first one, ignition mode. You'll want to put it on the second on ignition mode run. You can see where it's going to tell you contact dealer, oil change required. Contact dealer. We'll hit the pedal to the floor 3 times. 2, 3. Press on the brake. Start it up. Should have gone away. Shut it off and then put the key again. We'll confirm it. Seems to be gone. So that's it. I just wanted to make that quick video. This one has a ProCharge system in it. Real nice car. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless. Peace.